Okay, on the chopping block is this belt buckle ring. It's an actual ring, but the clasp open and closes to adjust and allow you to size the ring a little bit tighter. Okay, gold tone. This is brand new open package. Okay, I just opened the package for videoing. Okay, I got this from a professional online jeweler. It's just a gold tone, fun, cute little belt buckle ring. I think it originally, I have it set to about a size 10 right here. You can enclose it, meaning make it tighter to a 9 or an 8, okay? And still looks real cute. It's got nice sparkle and shine, nice gold tone, okay, metallic ring. Hope you like it.